Stop what you're doing and let me show you how to make some good mustard fried chicken. You're going to start off with some complete seasoning, garlic powder, onion powder, a Sazon packet. This is optional, but some hot sauce. And of course, I'm gonna add that French's yellow mustard. I recommend you use specifically French's. You can also add egg, but if you do, don't be like me and add two. I really didn't have to, but y'all know me. It still came out good because I know how to cook, period. And then you're gonna get that all mixed up. This is my flour mixture. I also seasoned this with the same seasonings. With this, this is about 2 cups of flour and maybe about half a cup of cornstarch. You want to add that cornstarch to give it that extra crisp. And this is just me finna wipe the counter down. I have to clean as I go or I'm gonna drive myself crazy. To check my oil, I usually put a little bit of flour just to see. It wasn't hot enough for me, but once it got hot enough, what you do, you shake the excess flour off and then you go ahead and drop your wings in. You want to make sure that you don't overcrowd your grease because you want your wings to cook evenly. I let mine cook for about 12 minutes. Right here you can see they already just golden and crispy and delicious looking. Right here, oh my god, look at that. You can't tell me this don't look good and crispy. You need to follow this recipe if you don't know how to fry chicken. Me, I gotta put a little bit of jalapeno on mine. I have to. And you already know we're coming with that trapeze right there. We're gonna douse that, and that's how you make mustard fried chicken.